Hi guys, it's Nikita. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to do the hairstyle, like how to do a ponytail with a hair extension, as I want to make a long ponytail. I don't have that long hair, so for that reason, I'm going to attach a hair extension. So if you are interested how to do with a hair extension a ponytail, then you have to keep watching this video. So here we go. So before doing a ponytail, you need to have a tail comb, some clips, and the hair extension. So first I would be doing a sectioning. I have just done the sectioning from the front, and now I'm going to use this hair extension. This is from KIS Kiss. This is a straight one. Actually, I've used this many times. Because of this, like, it's little messy. I have to buy a new one, but due to this lockdown, now I can't buy it, so I'm gonna use the same one. Okay, so I have just done the sectioning, and now we'll be attaching first hair extension, and then you have to do the ponytail. If you do directly, like once you make a ponytail and on that if you are attaching it, so if you want to do high ponytail or a low ponytail, you cannot do the adjustment. So for that reason, you always first need to back comb, attach a hair extension, and then do the ponytail. First need to do the half pony. Why do we do the back combing? It's just we need a grip over here on our base so that this hair extension does not move and it is on place. Do it from every corner. Okay, I have just done the back combing, and now we'll be attaching this hair extension. So it's a clip-on. You just need to attach the clips. And there's an extra part. So over here you would be taking a bobby pin. In between also I'm going to place, because वहाँ पे space है, तो मैंने सोचा pins लगा दूँ. Okay, so I've just done, and now we'll remove this half pony. Okay, I've just attached the hair extension, and now we'll do the front variation, and then we'll just do the ponytail. Very simple. Like if you want to do a sleek front variation, you can do. If you want to do a puff front variation, that also you can do. I'm going to do the puff. For the puff, you need to do the back combing from the back side. Take a section. Back combing at the base. Once you do the back combing, then you have to use this hairspray. This is from Taft, and it's a Mega Strong 5, and it's a very hardcore, like, it's a hard hairspray. So for staying, like once you do the back combing, you want that your back comb should be staying. So for that reason, we use the hairspray. Okay. So थोड़ा थोड़ा सेक्शन लेके हमें बैक कोमिंग करना है. And once I've done the back combing, I got a good bounce in the front. Now we'll lightly comb for giving a proper finishing. एकदम लाइट हैंडेड आपको टेल कोम होल्ड करना है और अच्छे से फिनिशिंग देनी है. एंड देन जस्ट टेक इट. जितनी भी हाइट चाहिए आपको, आपके अकॉर्डिंग यू कैन डू इट. इफ यू वांट थोड़ा सा पफ, आप जितनी हाइट दोगे उतना आपका फेस elongated लगेगा. If you have a round shape, puff will look amazing and दूसरे फेस शेप पे भी अच्छा लगता है. But accordingly you have to give the volume to your base. कोई इतना देता है, कोई इतना देता है, तो अपने ऊपर है हमें कितना रखना है puff. I guess I will keep this much. So we'll use this bobby pin to attach this puff. You have to use 2 bobby pin. It has to be in a crisscross form. As I've attached the bobby pin, and now we'll do the ponytail. Like आपको puff भी मिल गया है. And if you want a puff from side also, you have to do the back combing same as I have done it from here. The same, but I don't want back combing from this side. Like I don't want a puff, so I'm going to make it sleek. एकदम tightly आपको लेना है, उसको twist करना है. Twist, twist, twist. And then you have to use the bobby pin. एक पिन में ग्रिप इतनी अच्छे से नहीं मिलती है, वो लूज हो जाती है. इसके लिए वी यूज 2 पिन फॉर क्रिस क्रॉसिंग एंड टू गेट अ प्रॉपर ग्रिप. पिन के ऊपर ही आपको दूसरी पिन लगानी है. ओके, आई हैव डन दिस एंड नाउ विल बी स्प्रेइंग. ओपन में भी रख सकते हो. It's purely up to you. But if you want to make a ponytail, I'm gonna make a ponytail now. And I don't want very clean finish from the front, so I'm going to create a embossed look. दूर से you should always, and one more thing I want to say, whenever you are spraying, please इतना पास से मत करना क्योंकि वो texture इतना अच्छे से नहीं आएगा. थोड़ा distance लेके and then spray. हाथ से बहुत ही अच्छा टेक्सचर आ जाता है. It's kind of a messy texture, messy front look. This I like the most. मुझे clean finish इतनी पसंद नहीं है, थोड़ा messy होना चाहिए. This is known as an embossing effect, like giving a texture in a front variation. To mix your own hair with a hair extension, otherwise वो fake दिख के आएगा. So guys, आपके ऊपर है आपको front variation कैसे देना है. मैंने ये दिया है puff with the embossing effect. Now I will use again a hairspray. Okay, so I have just used a U-pin and like by taking each section and attach a U-pin for creating a embossing effect. And once I make a high ponytail, then I would be just removing this all U-pins. And now it's up to you, like you want a lower ponytail, higher ponytail, whatever, up to you. Okay, so guys, मैंने hair extension I have put little down. For that reason, high pony would be this much. इतना ऊपर नहीं आना है. And now we'll use the rubber band. ये normal बड़ा सा rubber band है. So अपने comfort के हिसाब से make a ponytail. And then you need to cover a rubber band by using the same hair. is what I have created, a long ponytail with the embossing effect in a front variation, and it's a hair extension. I don't have such a long hair. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you like this video, please click on the like button, do share, do comment, and do subscribe to my channel. And if you are subscribing, please hit that notification bell so that you're always updated with all of my videos, guys. So please stay tuned for my next video. I love you so much. Bye bye.